We have the continuous random variable x has a probability density function f of x, where f of x is defined over two ranges. It's defined by the constant k over 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and a constant k times 2x minus 3 for 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. It's then 0 otherwise. We're asked to find k. In order to solve this problem, we have to use the idea of total probability and the fact that when we find the probability of these two ranges, it's equal to 1. So if I was to integrate the function between 0 and 2, so I'm just going to write that as f of x rather than writing it all out, and then add that to the integration, or the result of integrating the function between 2 and 3, then this will come to a total of 1 because the total probability is 1. So I'm just going to integrate each of these separately. I'm going to integrate between 0 and 2 for k dx. This is then going to be equal to, remember k is a constant, so that would just integrate to kx between 0 and 2. So then substituting 2 in, I'm going to get 2k minus 0k gives me a value for that integral as 2k. I'm then going to do the same for the other range. So I'm now going to integrate f of x between 2 and 3. This time, because I've got a function inside there, I'm actually going to take the constant k outside so I don't have to really worry about it. Okay, so I'm just going to focus on integrating and evaluating the function of x, which is 2x minus 3. Okay, so when I integrate this, I've got to remember to put the k outside. 2x becomes x squared. When I do 2x divided by 2, the 2's cancel, so it just leaves me x squared, which is nice. Then going to integrate minus 3. Minus 3 is just a constant, so it becomes minus 3x. And we are going to integrate this between 2 and 3. So as a result, I get k times, we get 3 squared minus 3 lots of 3 minus 4, sorry, not 4, but 2 squared minus 3 lots of 2. Okay, so when you go through and evaluate this, you can evaluate this on your calculator if you want. This comes to 0, this becomes to minus 2, so I get minus minus 2. It gives us plus 2k. So what we get as a result is that 2k plus 2k, so that's the values of the two integrals together, is equal to 1. Or, in other words, 4k is equal to 1. And so when I divide both sides by 4 to solve the equation, I get 1 at k is equal to a quarter. And that is it. Hope you understood.